Everywhere you look, people are warning that AI is coming for your job. Maybe you felt it too, a knot in your stomach, wondering if a machine actually could replace you. But here's the truth. There are things AI never will replace. If you know what they are, you won't just survive the shift, you're going to thrive. AI is powerful. It's already writing code, generating art, creating music, analyzing data. It's even passing professional exams. Or some people say AI is all hype. It's just a big fad like 3D TVs or the Segway. They say the intelligence is all fakery. But here's the difference. AI isn't just a gadget, it's infrastructure. It's built into our search engines, medical research, finance, logistics, even the apps you use every day. This isn't some science fiction project, it's happening in real time. And history shows us every leap in technology is going to create anxiety first. The steam engine, electricity, internet, the fear is always the same. Are we being replaced? But here's what never gets replaced. The very most human parts of us. A chatbot can give you information, but it can't look you in the eye when you're grieving and let you know that it really understands. It can't walk you through joy, loss, or change. Relationships are irreplaceable. AI can remix, but it doesn't feel. It doesn't wake up in the middle of the night inspired by a memory. It doesn't paint from a heartbreak. It doesn't write a song because of love. Creativity is born from lived experience. AI can generate answers, but it doesn't live consequences. It can't tell you the cost of regret or the joy of persistence. That only comes from living, struggling, and learning. So if you're worried about being replaced, shift your focus. Ask yourself, how can I double down on the human side of my work? AI can speed up the mechanical parts of my job, but the human parts, empathy, creativity, wisdom, those are your irreplaceable strengths. That's where your true value lives. Yes, AI is changing the future, but the most powerful thing you bring to the table is not your efficiency, it's your humanity. That can't be automated away. That's why you still matter. And that's why this channel exists, to help you navigate the future with AI and with purpose. If this has offered any encouragement, subscribe for more. This is Life Recoded. Let's keep this journey into the future going together.